As a certified collision care provider, we work closely with all insurance companies, paint manufacturers, automotive manufacturers, rental car companies, and a host of others to ensure that your repair is completed quickly, accurately, and efficiently. And in the end, the repairs are invisible. We have been certified by the leading automobile manufacturers in the world, so we can provide you the peace of mind we have all the necessary elements to properly and safely repair your vehicle and deliver collision care and complete satisfaction. As part of our efforts to provide the highest level of customer care, we would like to help educate and inform you of critical information you may need to know about the collision repair and claims process, including the various steps and stages your car must go through to be returned to you, ensuring the fit, finish, durability, value, and safety of your vehicle. This is our commitment and why our repair business is certified. In the next few minutes, we will look at how a vehicle is manufactured as well as how it needs to be remanufactured and repaired in the event of an accident. We will take you through a typical repair as done by a certified facility so you can understand the process your vehicle will go through. To understand the remanufacturing process, we will start by examining how the vehicle was manufactured and what it takes to properly and safely repair the vehicle. Today's automobiles are manufactured and assembled at highly advanced manufacturing facilities, mainly by robotics. For safety purposes, automobiles are designed from the inside out. All of the components from the inner structure to the exterior sheet metal, plastic, aluminum, and even glass are designed as a whole, and together give the automobile extraordinary structural strength and integrity. Much of the impact of the collision is absorbed by the sheet metal on the outside and the structural support hidden underneath the vehicle. Whether you have been involved in a minor collision or a severe collision, it is critical to choose a certified repair provider to ensure all your vehicle's safety systems are repaired properly and your vehicle continues to operate as designed. Another important phase of the manufacturing process is your vehicle finish. To create the finish on your automobile, the manufacturers use elaborate painting systems to apply the paint and bake it at extremely high temperatures before the interior parts have been installed. After seeing how the vehicle is manufactured, you could imagine repairing and refinishing today's sophisticated vehicles requires certified collision repair experts to follow procedures sometimes even more elaborate than the automobile manufacturers used to build the vehicle in the first place. Each automobile must be repaired differently and according to the unique damage. This requires individualized labor and specialty skills. Each person who works on your vehicle must undergo extensive, ongoing training and use highly technical tools and equipment at each stage of the repair. These elements are checked and double-checked as part of earning the manufacturer's certification.